Alright, so in this lecture we are not going to learn anything new, rather we are going to practice our if or statement, but in a more sophisticated manner with more data. So you will really see the potential of this statement here. So let's start equals if or, and now let's start with logicals. The first logical is if the age of the customer is greater than 60. The second one is if the annual income of the customer is $80,000. That is what I'm coming up with the values. Okay. The next argument is if gender of the customer is equals female. So I have to use inverted commas here. And then if total children are greater than 2, so not equals to, I'm not using equal to intentionally here. I want to write only where children are greater than 2. And the next argument is that if the membership card equals golden, and definitely, or if the membership card equals platinum. Okay, close the inverted commas, and now we have to close the bracket here so that we can close the logicals, and now we can move to the answer what we want. So what we want is that if the value is true, we want to classify them as free upgrade. So maybe we are traveling by, if we are working on the database of an airline and they want us to upgrade the seats on the basis of these conditions, and if these conditions do not meet, we want to say no upgrade. Okay, so these are the conditions. I'm closing the bracket here, and you will see that if any of these conditions, which conditions, if the age is greater than 60, or the income of the customer is greater than $80,000, or the gender is female, or they have kids more than 2, or their card is golden or platinum, they will get the free upgrade, otherwise they will not. So I will press enter now, and you can see the first one is saying no upgrade. Let's copy and paste down to all the cells. And now let us check if our values are correct or no. So take a look at the first one, no upgrade. Why? Because age is not meeting, the annual income is also below 80, they are male, and then children are also only 1, and the membership card is also bronze. So none of the condition is matching here, so I would say no upgrade. So if I can move to the third one, you can see that their age is less than 60, condition does not meet. Annual income is less than $80,000, condition does not meet, but their gender is female, so the condition is met here. She will definitely get a free upgrade, and also the children are more than 2, so that is also a case for her free upgrade. So what if I can just change the gender to male, just to see that if the fourth condition is working. Press enter, and see there is no change here. Why? Because this condition is working out and it is saying that children are greater than 2, so it should get free upgrade. I'm changing that to 1 now, and see it has been changed. So I will just undo it, undo again, to make sure that we have data in the original form. And this way you have used the if or statement to create a new conditional column based on the multiple conditions on the existing data. So this is really powerful if used carefully.